None and none of. Do you know how to use them correctly? Do you know the differences? None is the pronoun form of no. It means not one or not any. It replaces countable and uncountable nouns, and it can function as a subject or as an object. My mother has 2 brothers, but my father has none. What reasons did she give you? None. She gave me no reasons. None. When none is the subject, the verb can be either singular or plural, depending on what it is referring to. I am always looking for inspiration. None ever comes. She is always looking for new ideas. None ever come. Warning: we don't use none where we mean nobody or no one. They had a fantastic time, and luckily nobody was injured. You do not say, and luckily none was injured. No, that's wrong. We use none of before demonstrative, this and that, those, etc. Possessive adjectives, my, your, and pronouns. For example, none of his old friends knew what had happened to him. It doesn't matter. None of it was your fault. Remember, we don't use none of when there is already a negative word in the clause. She doesn't remember any of us. You do not say she doesn't remember none of us. No, that is incorrect. Another warning: when there are 2 people or 2 things, we don't use none of. We should use instead neither of. Neither of us said anything. You do not say none of us said anything. In formal styles, we use none of when it is the subject of a singular verb. However, in informal styles, people use none of with plural verbs. None of that surprises me. Indeed, none of his novels is well written. None of the products have been tested on animals.